Hey guys, so today I'm going to be decorating some Valentine's Day cookies. I'm using royal icing and I'm going to water marble the cookies. Kind of like how I did my birthday cake. You can watch that video and see how I did it, just on a much smaller surface. So I'm going to start with the little cookies first. I practiced with them before, and in case the icing drips, I want to have parchment paper underneath it. And royal icing is much more liquidy than regular icing that you would put on a cookie or like a cake. It's not like buttercream. Buttercream is much more like different frosting, and it's not watery at all. But this one is much easier to use for the water marbling. I'm just using 3 different colors. I got some white, pink, and darker pink. Now I'm going to be using a toothpick to water marble the cookie. And I'm just doing it lightly. And then I'm just using a napkin to wipe all the excess off so I don't get it back on the cookie. And I'm just doing it lightly. I'm doing it different ways, back and forth. And I think I can get like one more here. No. Yeah, that's okay. And then there's my little heart cookie. And once it dries, it's gonna be hardened and it'll still have the same design. So I added some more frosting to the smaller cookies, and I'm gonna do a different type of water marble, more like swirling. I'm gonna do this one first. Oops, dipped my hand in the other one. I shouldn't do 2 at once. It's okay. So there's that one. Then I have this other one. I'm gonna do kind of similar, but like this way. Like if I was doing a regular one, just with more curved lines and not straight. Looks nice. Now I'm gonna do one of the bigger cookies. You can definitely tell that there's a size difference between the other two. I think that one turned out cute. So, with the leftover frosting that I have, there's a little bit of pink in there, but it's okay. I'm gonna add some of this holographic edible glitter to it. Now I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I gotta be careful. I'm gonna put my flashlight over it so you can see all the holo. And I'm not gonna dump it on with this open, but the lid open. But glitter comes out easily. Trying to see if I can't really move it around because it's not gonna really distribute evenly. At least now I have more of a use for the parchment paper underneath. Now I'm gonna put my flashlight on again so you can see it. Like I said, it's not completely even. This one looks more nice though, because this one has like pink lines. But yeah. And also those are the other cookies that I made, and I think they turned out really cute. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Happy Valentine's Day!